Welcome to Irby Motors. One thing that nobody wants to happen is for their car to suddenly break down without warning. This is what makes regular servicing such a crucial part of your car's upkeep. Every vehicle in the UK over 3 years old is required to undergo an MOT test to confirm that it's roadworthy. At Irby Motors, we provide a full MOT as well as a free retest. It covers all the key components required, including brakes, tyres and suspension. Your car is in safe hands throughout the process. We service and MOT your car on the same day by trained professional mechanics. It's essential to maintain the proper service schedule to meet your manufacturer's warranty requirements. Whether you've bought your car from us or not, you're in luck. Our team of dedicated and professional mechanics are all fully qualified to follow your car's service schedule as recommended by the manufacturer. Best of all, we know you're busy. That's why we don't expect you to call or pop into the garage. With our online booking service, you can book your car in for a service at the click of a button. We look forward to seeing you and your car here at Irby Motors.